Ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You made me feel like I did you wrong.
What's up guys, it's Veronica here and I am back with another lit ass video. You guys, I missed you and I'm very certain that you missed me too. And honestly, I wanted to come back, I just could not. I don't know why, I just could not come back. But a lot of you have questions in my previous videos about something that I've posted, and I'm just, gonna be your skincare guru. So tonight I'm gonna be doing a bougie skincare routine because I had a long week, and even though it's Monday, the week has been long. So yeah, I deserve. Now let's get right into my skincare routine. The first thing I do in my nighttime routine is double cleanse. If you're not double cleansing, what are you doing? I got this cleanser last year, and honestly, that was like the first time I'll buy a cleanser in years. And after that, I've actually not even gotten another cleanser. This cleanser has been such a good buy. And you guys, I think I'm already sounding sleepy. I remember recommending this to one of my friends, and every time she needs to get it, she's like, Miriam, they've run out of stock in this place. Can I get somewhere else? Can I get somewhere else? She loves the cleanser. It works. So you're just going to take in a circular motions like so. And you guys, I have oily skin, so if you have dry skin, you might want to opt for Toleraine when it comes to Laroche posay's cleanser. I think that this Effaclar version is for oily skin prone. Oily skin girlies and acne prone. So yeah. The time is currently 2 a.m. Even when you said they sleep, but me, I go nowhere. If I don't do my skincare tonight, I'm not sleeping. No dreamland for me. While exfoliating with Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. You guys, this is an OG. I don't even need to say much. Just Google this thing. Google it or just, search. Do your research. This works like, I don't want to say magic. That's a stretch, but like this works. So we're gonna shake because it's new. And you guys, why did I buy this thing from Beauty Hut for 79,800? For 79,800 naira, and I saw it on another person's page for 60k. Mind you, that person doesn't sell fake. Beauty Hoods. Wishama. Ooh, this baby. This one's very lifty at all. I'm trying to keep this routine as short as possible because I need to go to bed. So for my serum, I'm going in with this Reedle Shot with vitamin C, just to brighten my skin. So this is quite prickly, so you want to just be gentle on your skin. You rub it in, then you pat like so. And of course, an eye cream from Mixon. This is one of my favorites. You guys, this is like my third tube. I'm even running out already, so shit me. So now we'll wait for like 1 minute to let everything absorb before we go in with our next product. And when you see me bring on my Estée Lauder, you guys know that I mean business, okay? So this is their advanced night repair overnight treatment. So yeah, you guys know I don't play, okay? I don't be playing. You guys, I'm running out, and this is such a painful pill to swallow. So yeah, we're just gonna take this much. And no, not because I'm trying to mindset, because we don't actually need so much. Do you guys see the bounce? Do you see it? You can't even act like you don't see this one. This is absolute magic. And yeah, we're basically done. So yeah, I can go to bed knowing that I did my skincare routine and I showered myself with love tonight, okay? Lip mask.